Hello students, in this lecture we see the properties of the multiplication of the matrix. Okay. Properties, okay, we see the three properties in the last two lectures, that is the commutative, distributive and the associative. Okay. In the matrix multiplication there is commutative law does not hold. Okay, that is not commutative. A into B is not equal to B into A. Okay, in the matrix multiplication there are the commutative law does not hold. Okay, here A into B is equal to B into A. There are the exceptional cases. If the A and B are the inverse of each other, here A and B are the inverse of each other, then A into B is equal to B into A. The inverse of the matrix we will learn in a class 12. Okay, here now here see only the matrix multiplication is not commutative. In the second, the associative law, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, and the distributive law, here it is a left distributive law and it is a right distributive law. Here see carefully, A into B plus C. Here A into from the left, A into, we can write A into B plus A into C, and here B plus C into A, it is A into from the right. Therefore B into A plus C into A. See carefully, here not write the A into B, because A into B and B into A in the matrix multiplication are not same. A into B is not equal to B into A. So here B into A and it is a C into A. Okay, in this A into B, A into C, this cannot be right A into B and A into C. It is a B into A and it is a C into A. Okay, here all these three properties we are already proved by using the examples in the last two lectures. Okay, not commutative, associative and distributive. Now the fourth property, it is A into I or I into A. I, it is an identity matrix. Identity matrix, that is the unit matrix. Okay, identity matrix, that means it is a square matrix and non-diagonal elements are the 0 and diagonal elements are the 1. Okay, here I into A is equal to A or A into I is equal to A. Okay, here we prove this property by using the examples in this lecture, but before that see carefully, I into A is equal to A and A into I is equal to A. Okay, here it is the fourth property, and here A into 0, that means matrix A, and into 0, that is the 0 matrix. Then A into 0 is equal to 0 or 0 into A is equal to 0. Okay, here we prove these properties by using the examples, that is I into A is equal to A or A into I is equal to A. Okay, here see carefully the example. Here if A, okay, here we can take 1, 5, 3, 4. Then show that A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A. Okay, here first we prove A into I is equal to A and it is I into A is equal to A. Okay, here I is an identity matrix of the same order of the A. Okay, here that means I is an identity matrix of order 2. Okay, now see carefully, here we want to find that it is, here it is a given, first we can write given, it is a matrix 1, 5, 3, 4 and the identity matrix of the same order 1, 0, 0, 1, identity matrix of the same order with A. Okay, now first we find A into I. Therefore it is a into I, that is the identity matrix 1, 5, 3 and it is a 4 into 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we take the multiplication. Okay, here see carefully, first row first column, then first row second column. 1 into 1, it is a 1, and plus 5 into 0, it is a 0. Then first row second column, 1 into 0 0 and plus it is a 5. Okay, first row, first column, it is element. Then first row, second column, it is element. Then second row, first column, it is a 3 plus 0, and then 0 plus 4, and then it is 1 5 3 4. Okay, and it is the matrix A. Okay, that is A into I is equal to A. Okay, now and I into A, here I matrix, it is 1 0 0 1 into A, it is 1 5 3 4. Now we take the multiplication. Here first row, first column, 1 into 1, it is a 1, 0 into 3, it is a 0. Then again first row, second column, 1 into 5, it is 5, and 0 into 4, it is a 0. 1, that is second row, first column, 0 into 1, 0, and plus 1 into 3, it is a 3. Then 0 plus 4, and then this is 1 5 3 4, and again it is A, and that is I into A is also A. Okay, when we multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, then the matrix itself, because the identity matrix, we say the identity matrix is a unit matrix, unit element, that is the 1. Okay, here in general we can write 5 into 1, it is a 5. Okay, it is minus 10 into 1, it is a minus 10. Okay, then 99 into 1, it is a 99. Okay, here it is a unit element in the numbers. ओके, म्हणजेच 1 न कोणत्याही नंबरला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पुन्हा तेच नंबर येणार. ओके, आणि हिअर आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स इज अ युनिट मॅट्रिक्स. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स हा मॅट्रिक्स मधला 1. ओके, म्हणजेच आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सनं कोणत्याही मॅट्रिक्सला मल्टिप्लाय केलं, आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सनं कोणत्याही मॅट्रिक्सला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पुन्हा काय येणार, तेच मॅट्रिक्स. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सनं कोणत्याही मॅट्रिक्सला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पुन्हा तेच मॅट्रिक्स. म्हणजे आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स हा आहे मॅट्रिक्स मधला 1. ओके, हिअर 1 into 5 केलं 5, 1 into minus 10, it is minus 10, 1 into 99, again it is a 99. Okay, it is a 1, it is a unit element. Okay, and when it is a unit element, that means we multiply with unit element in a number, then we get the number itself. Same procedure, E into I we get A, or I into A we get A. Okay, म्हणजे आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स हा काय मॅट्रिक्स मधला 1. ओके, आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सनं कोणत्याही मॅट्रिक्सला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पुन्हा तोच मॅट्रिक्स येणार, ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्स. E into I, it is A, or I into A, it is A. Okay, here this example for the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, we see one more example for the 3 by 3. Okay, identity matrix म्हणजे काय, मॅट्रिक्स मधला 1 कन्सिडर करा. One, 2, 3, -4, 0, 1, 5, 1, 2. Okay, here it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, this I is also identity matrix of order 3. Okay, now given A 1, 2, 3, -4, 0, 1, 5, 1, 2. Okay. Then identity matrix, it is I of order 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and it is a 0, 0, 1. Now first prove E into I. One, 2, 3, -4, 0, 1, 5, 1, 2. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, here. Now we multiply the matrix A with identity matrix. Okay, here we take the multiplication. Here, first row, first column, 1 into 1, it is a 1, plus 2 into 0, it is a 0, and 3 into 0, again it is 0. Then first row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, it is a 2, and 3 into 0, it is a 0. Okay, see carefully. Now first row, third column. Okay, फक्त first row आणि third column पहा आणि corresponding elements गुणाकार. Okay, multiplication of the corresponding elements. 1 into 0, it is a 0. 2 into 0, it is a 0, and 3 into 1, it is a 3. Okay, here first row, first column, first row, second column, and it is a first row, third column. Now second row, first column, it is a -4 plus 0 plus 0. Then second row, second column, -4 into 0, it is a 0, 0 into 1, again it is 0, and 1 into 0, again 0. Now second row, third column, 0 plus 0 and plus 1, 1 into 1. Now third row, first column, 5 plus 0 plus 0. Second row, second column, 0 into 5, it is a 0, 1 into 1, it is a 1, and 2 into 0, it is a 0. Now third row, third column, 0 plus 0 and plus 2, and then it is 1, 2, 3, -4, 0, 1, 5, 1, and it is a 2, and it is a matrix A, and therefore A into I is equal to A. Okay, and similarly we prove the A into I is equal to A. Similarly we prove I into A is equal to A. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, A into I is equal to A, or I into A is equal to A. It is a property of the matrix multiplication. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्सनं कोणत्याही मॅट्रिक्सला मल्टिप्लाय केलं की पुन्हा काय येणार, तोच मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, B into I, it is a B. C into I, it is a C. It is a matrix. Okay, here see carefully this. Now we see one more result or the property here. Here it is A into 0, it is a 0 matrix. Okay, that means all elements in the matrix, it is a 0. Then when we take multiplication, it is a 0. A into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into A is equal to 0. Okay, but okay, here it is a fifth. Now we can write the sixth property. See carefully. Okay, it is a property number 6. If A into B, the multiplication of these two matrices is 0, then there is need not be it is A is equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Okay, here the product of the two matrix is 0. Okay, in our numbers, okay, the product of the two numbers is 0. Product of the two numbers is 0. Then any one number is a 0, or both are the 0. Either first number 0 or the second number 0. But in the matrix, the multiplication of the two matrices is a 0. Then there is a need not be the first matrix 0 or the second matrix 0. Okay, here there is a not necessary to either A is 0 or B is 0. If A and B are the both non-zero matrix, then their product will be 0. Now we take one example here. We take A is equal to here 1, 3, -1, -3, and B is equal to 6, -6, -2, and it is a -2. Okay, these are the two matrices. Okay, here A and B are the two matrices. Okay. These two matrices are not equal to 0, but when we take the product of these two matrices, A into B, it is a 1, 3, -1, -3. 6 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2. Now we take the product of this. First row, first column, it is a 6 minus 6. 6 and it is a minus 6. First row, second column, it is a minus 6. Here we take the plus. Okay. Here it is a minus 6 and we take the plus 6. Okay. Here. First row, first column, it is a 6 minus 6. Then first row, second column, here it is a minus 6 and it is a plus 6. Now the second row, first column, minus 6 and it is a plus 6. Then plus 6 and it is a minus 6. Minus 1 into 6, it is 6, and minus 3 into 2, it is, and now it is 0, 0, 0, and it is a 0. 0, 0, it is 0 and 0, and therefore A into B is equal to 0. If A into B is equal to 0, then there is a need not be the A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Okay, here A into B is equal to 0, but A and B are the non-zeros. A and B are the non-zero matrix. A is this and B is this. Both are the non-zero, but their product will be 0. In the number, if the product of the two number is 0, if either first number is 0 or the second number is 0, but in the matrix there is not necessary. Okay, A into B is equal to 0, then there is a not necessary to either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Okay, see carefully. Okay, by this example. Okay, now we see some more the algebraic relations. Okay, here algebraic relations in the matrix. Okay, here see carefully. We know that when we write here, we write A plus B whole square for any number, we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, or A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, or here A plus B and A minus B. This can be directly written A square minus B square. Okay, here these three results holds for the any real numbers. Okay, here, but if A and B are the matrices, okay, then these results are not holds. Okay, see carefully. Okay, here we take the results. It is 6 number. We can take the 7. When we write, it is A plus B whole square. In the matrix, we can find the square. It is A square. It is A into A cube. It is A into A. Okay. Now here it is A square. So we can write it is A plus B, and it is A plus B. Okay. It is a multiplication. Now we take the multiplication. Then it is A into A plus A into B plus B into A and plus B into B, and therefore this can be written as A square plus A into B and B into A are not equal. Okay, so we cannot write this in the form of the 2AB in the matrix multiplication. Okay, so this is as it is, A into B plus B into A and plus B square. Okay, it is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. This is okay. Now the 8th, it is A minus B whole square. Same. A minus B and it is A minus B. Okay, then we can write this. It is A into A minus A into B minus B into A and plus B into B, and then A minus B whole square can be written A square minus AB minus BA and plus b square. This is not hold for the matrices because the matrix multiplication is not commutative. Both are not equal. If both are the equal, then this condition satisfy. But in the matrix, A and B are the matrices. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. So this cannot be right in the form of the 2AB or 2BA. It is AB and it is a BA. It is a multiplication of the matrices. Okay, this is the result. Now we see the third result. We can take here the 9 number. A plus B into A minus B. Okay, and this can be written as, see carefully, A into A minus A into B plus B into A and minus B square. Here it is the value of this. Okay, here, but in our real numbers, A plus B and A minus B, it is A square minus B square, because A into B and B into A for the real numbers are the same. Okay, therefore this will get cancelled. But in the matrix multiplication, the AB and BA are not same, so this can be written as it is in this form. Okay, here A plus B whole square, it is A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. Okay, if the A and B are the matrices. A minus B whole square, it is A square minus AB minus BA plus B square. And here A plus B, A minus B, it is A square, A into A, it is A square. Okay, we can write one more step. It is A square minus AB plus BA and minus B square. Okay, for this. Okay, here A plus B, A minus B, we can write this in the form. Okay, if here, see carefully, here this result is not hold in the matrices. Okay, in the matrix both are the not equal. Here this result is hold. Okay, here if AB is equal to BA. Okay, all results are the holds if AB is equal to BA. But in the matrix, in general, it is AB is not equal to BA. If A and B are the inverse of each other, then it is exist. Okay, if AB is equal to BA, then these results are the hold. But in general, in the matrix multiplication, these results are not hold. In the matrix multiplication, here these results. Here it is A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square and A plus B, A minus B. Okay, here carefully पहा. Okay, नंबर मध्ये आपल्याला हे फॉर्म्युले माहिती आहेत. ओके, पण मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन कॉम्युटेटिव्ह नसते. A इंटू बी आणि B इंटू A सारखं नसते, म्हणून तुम्हाला याला डायरेक्ट 2 लिहिता येत नाही. ओके, इन जनरल आपण डायरेक्टली 2 लिहितो. ओके, इथं 2 लिहिता येत नाही. कशामुळे तर मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन कॉम्युटेटिव्ह नसते. A इंटू बी आणि B इंटू A सारखे नसतात मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये. ओके, म्हणून हे ॲज इट इज असंच लिहिणार, हे असंच लिहिणार आणि हे तुम्हाला ऑब्जेक्टिव्हचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी हे रिझल्ट सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचे आहेत, सगळ्या प्रॉपर्टीजच. ओके, हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं लक्षात राहू द्या. A इंटू I इज इक्वल टू A और I इंटू A इज इक्वल टू A, 0 इंटू A इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस A प्लस B होल स्क्वेअर, इट इज A माइनस B होल स्क्वेअर, दिस A plus B, A minus B, this. And if the both are the same, then our real numbers expressions are the wholes for matrix also. If A into B is equal to B into A, but in general these are the results. See carefully. Okay, question मध्ये सरळ सरळ तुम्हाला कंडिशन दिलेली असली AB is equal to BA, तर मग हे रिझल्ट होल्ड्स. ओके, तुम्ही हे रिझल्ट लक्षात राहू द्या. मॅट्रिक्स साठी हे रिझल्ट्स. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. ओके, व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या. हे रिझल्ट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्हचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचे आहेत. ओके, केअरफुली पहा.